नमस्ते, स्वागतम्। सर्वे सम्यक् भोजनं खादितवन्तः इति मन्ये। इदानीं नूतनपाठस्य प्रारम्भः, षष्ठः पाठः, तस्य प्रारम्भः। प्रार्थना तु प्रातःकाले एव कृतम्। ॐ तत्सत् इति उक्त्वा पाठस्य प्रवेशः करवामः। तो यथा सर्वत्र अत्रापि प्रथमम् उक्तिः, गृहीत इव केशेषु मृत्युना धर्ममाचरेत् इति उक्तिः। गृहीत इव केशेषु मृत्युना धर्मम् आचरेत्. There is only one simple samyoga vibhajana, dharmam acharet. There is no sandhi. Okay, grihitah, sorry, there is a visarga lopa. Grihitah iva kesheshu mrityuna dharmam acharet. So धर्मं कथम आचरेत? एकः धर्मं कथम आचरेत? How should one practice dharma? The answer is मृत्युना केशेषु गृहीत इव. क्षम्यताम्, I'll just stand by. हाँ, मृत्युना केशेषु गृहीतः इव धर्मम् आचरेत. By the god of death, मृत्यु here refers to the actual god itself. Bar, you can say by death. Okay, by death or by god of death. Okay, mrityuna, by, so karana karaka. Kesheshu, in the hair, that means by the hair. Like that. It's a phrase that is there pretty much in English also. I'll catch him by his hair, like that means I'll totally grasp him, like that. Okay, so kesheshu, that is there in Sanskritam also clearly. Kesheshu grihitaha iva, as if by death in my hair I have been grabbed. Aham, I am assuming aham here. Okay, so mrityuna kesheshu grihitaha iva maya dharmam aham dharmam acharet, like that. Okay, as if I am grabbed by. So practice dharma as if acharet is in that vidhi form. Kuryat, acharet, like that. So it is a vidhi. So practice dharma as if death is dragging you by the hair. It's a beautiful saying, because nothing is more a potent reminder of how to be just and not coveting things is the mortality. One reminder of our mortality is sufficient to say, why am I doing all this? Let me just focus on the correct things, like that. So it's very nice. मृत्युना, मृत्यु तृतीया एकवचन, उकारांत पुल्लिंगः, guru shabdavat, guruhu, guru, guravah, like that, guruna. But here nakara doesn't come because in guru repamsha is there, so na becomes rana. But mrityu, though there is no repamsha, this is a amsha, swara, so that doesn't influence it. So mrityuna, so there is nothing there to influence the na to change to na, so it remains mrityuna, original form. Then kesheshu, so kesha saptami bahuvachana, akaranta pullingah rama shabdavat, rameshu kesheshu. Okay, here also you will see some of the words need shakara, some need sakara, like that. There are rules for that. So grihitah, kta pratyaya, pratyayukta kridantah, kta grihitah, yah yasya grahanam abhavat tah sah grihitah. Who is grabbed, he is grihita, like that. Grihnati is the latlakara form. Yah anyasya grahane baddha sah grihitah. Okay, is grabbed by something. Iva, like, that is avyaya padam. Arthat yatha tata, I mean as is. That is the meaning of iva. Dharmam, dharma dvitiya ekavachana, akaranta pullingah rama shabdavat, ramam vat. Okay, acharet vidhiling, atra dattamasti vidhiling, acharati iti lat, acharet iti vidhiling ekavachana. Tatiya, sorry, prathama purusha, not third person, prathama purusha. It is third person, but we say prathama purusha in Sanskrit. Astu. So mrityuna, sorry, grihita iva kesheshu mrityuna dharmamacharet. Something always important for us to remember. Okay, so with that warm up, Mrityu and all that was never a. There is nothing taboo. One thing we have to appreciate in our Shastra is we have to actually bow down. There was no taboo subject. Okay, that is why it is good. Because if you create taboos, then you don't learn. Even things you shouldn't do, you should learn what it is before you stop doing it. So they explored everything. So that is very important. Anyway, bhashabhyasah kta pratyayah. Read the following sentences carefully. So we have been introduced to Kta Pratyaya, but they are doing little more practice for us in this first section. So let us have someone help us now. Hiral Bhatwarye.
Mahoday.
Can you help us with the first 5 sentences slowly? Yeah.
Ramena karyam krutam. The job was done by Rama.
So karyam kritam. Okay, this kritam is not a active kriya pada. See, Ramaha karyam karoti, Ramena karyam kriyate is the lat karmani, right? So that form. But here it's in past participle form. So they switched to kridanta and said kritam. But it is actually still kind of karmani because karyam kritam, the kritam is tracking karyam. By Rama is incidentally the karta who is there. So Sitaya karyam kritam, Ramena karyam kritam, like that. So this is the standard kta kridanta in bhuta kridanta form, karmani form. Okay. Very, very classical example of kta in karmani. Continue, madam.
Devena varaha dattaha. The boon was granted by God.
See, Devena again Tritiya. So the Kartru is in Titiya. So Varaha or the Karta is in Tritiya, I should say. Karta is in Tritiya. Varaha Dattaha. Vara is Pullinga. So the Kta Pratyaya also went to Pullinga Krudanta form. Dattaha. Here Karyam was Napumsaka. So Karyam Kritam. Varaha Pullinga. So Dattaha. If it was something, then Dattam. If it was some Napumsaka Linga thing, Pushpam Dattam. By the god, the flower was given. Though he wouldn't descend to such mundane grants. But anyway, Devena Pushpam Dattam it will be, but Varaha Dattaha. Okay, like that. Continue, madam.
Balakaihi katha shruta. The story was heard by the boys.
So, Balakaha Katam Shrunvanti. Something like that would be the standard Latlakara. But we want to go to Bhutakala and we go to Karmani also at the same time. So Kta Pratyaya is very helpful. So since it was Katha, it is Strilinga. So Katha Shruta. But by whom? Balakaihi. So Balikabhihi Katashruta, Balakaihi Katashruta. If it was feminine, then it would be Balikabhihi. But Shruta will remain Shruta because of Katha, not due to Balikas. Okay. Yes. So continue, madam.
So this Shruta will remain indeclinable for like everything.
No, not indeclinable. It is in Strilinga. Good thing you asked the question. See, Kritam is in Napumsakalinga. Dattaha is in Pullinga. Shruta is in Strilinga. Okay. None of them are indeclinable. Okay. Katha, Shruta. So, okay. Suppose instead of Katha, they heard Vakyam. Okay. They heard a sentence. Then Balakaihi Vakyam Shrutam will come. Okay. Instead of Vakyam or Katha, let us say it was Parayanam. Parayanam is also Napumsakalinga. Something Pullinga. Okay. If some Pullinga was there, then it will be Shrutaha. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Shrutaha. I should say
Shrutaha. This tat pratyaya is basically past tense, lung.
It is a replacement for lung. Very correct. Very good. It is a replacement for lung, but it is different from standard lung. Standard lung would be kartari, apatat, ashrunot, something like that. Okay. Ashrunot.
So the karmani prayoga lung laga.
Karmani, you cannot call it lung anymore. Don't call it lung. Okay, because lung is a lat lakara, is a lakara. This is not a lakara. This is a kridanta. Like I told you once, no, dhatus can undergo lakara transformations and become kriyapadas. Dhatus can undergo kridanta transformations and become namapadas. So this shruta, shrutaha, shrutam, they are all namapada forms. Okay, but they are representative of bhuta kriya. They hold the place of Bhuta Kriya, but they're pointing to the karma. Their linga, their gender is from the karma pada. Katha Shruta. So by the students, the story, female story was heard in feminine. Was heard is in feminine now. Okay, in Sanskritam. So balakon se katha sunatha, like that. If the suna is strilinga, that's what it is. Okay. Like. Continue.
प्राध्यापकेन विचारः उपस्थापितः. The topic was presented by the professor.
So here upastapitah is in pullinga. Okay. So here the dhatu is stha dhatu, stha, to stay. Okay. Sthapana is to make something stay, like that. Okay. Upa is a upasarga there. Okay. Upa is also placed. Also sense is there in upa. Okay. So pradhyapakena, by the teacher, professor, pradhyapaka is nice one, professor, vicharaha, some kind of subject. Okay. Some discussable subject is vichara. Was placed. Was placed is upastapitah, but in kridanta. Okay. Pradhyapakah vicharam astapayat would be astapayat, no? Astapayat, sthadatu. So astapayat would be the lang kartari form. Pradhyapakah vicharam astapayat. Suppose I want to make it lang karmani. Do I know? Let us see. Pradhyapakena vicharaha, it will become now, because its karma position moves to pratama vibhakti. Vicharaha astapyata, something like that. Like you had studied it once, no? Astapyata. It is like a atmanepadi ending, but bhoot of kala. So astapyata will come. Okay. Similar to how avandata will happen. Avandata. So vandate of lat goes to avandata in lang. Same way, this will go to astapyata. Yakara has to come. Astapyata, like that. So, but that is more difficult to learn. So this Kta Kridanta is useful for us. So that's why they have taught us. Only problem in Kta Kridanta is.
Sir, very doubt. Sir,
wait. Let me just complete Narayana Maurya. So because Kta Pratyaya is a little bit more easy to learn, they teach us that method. But only problem that comes is then we also have to mind the linga. Because Kriyapada doesn't have linga, it was a little easier. For all lingas, you could go with one form. But here we have to mind it. So upasthapita, strilinga, upasthapitah, pullinga, upastapitam, napumsakalinga. For Pratama Vibhakti, it is not very difficult, so they teach us this. Narayan Varya, what was your question?
No, this upasthapita, past tense, abhavishyat, like that upasthapyat.
Abhavishyat is a different lakara. Yadi tarhi, it is actually called a different lakara.
Correct. That is ring lakara.
Ring lakara. Okay. It is yadi abhavishyat tarhi agamishyat, that form. Okay. In case somebody said, then I would have gone, something like that. Okay. That's not go there. Okay. This is it. That's what you carefully just listen to me. It is thadatu. In lat lakara, thadatu goes thati, like that. Okay. And in karmani of lat, it goes to stiyate, like that. Okay. In same staying with the thadatu as a kriyapada, if we go to past tense, it will become asthapayat or something like that. Okay. Actually, pa also should stapyate, stapayati. So I should not take stadatu, it is thapudatu. There is a pakara also to be included. Okay. So stapyati is latlakara. Okay. Astapyat atva asthapayat, one of those forms is lang lakaras. But both are kartari. Now suppose how we do karmani with kriyapada. Sthapayati is kartari. Stapyate is karmani. Okay. So pradhyapakena vicharah stapyate would be karmani. Okay. That is in lat. That is in present tense. Now we have to go to past tense also. So pradhyapakena vicharah, stay with the stadatu and go to lang First we have to try pradhyapakah only, the kartari form only. So pradhyapakah vicharam asthapayat will be used. Asthapayat is standard kartari bhuta lakara, bhutakala lakara, lang lakara, asthapayat. Now suppose I have to shift that to karmani. Okay. Now you track carefully. I have to shift that to karmani in bhutakala. How do I do? Pradhyapakena, same rules, tritiya vibhakti. Vicharah goes to pratama vibhakti. Okay, from vicharam of dvitiya it goes to pracharah pratama vibhakti. But stha dhatu in bhuta karmani, I have to go to lang karmani. Lang kartari was asthapayat. Lang karmani kartari. Lang kartari was asthapayat. Lang karmani will be stapyate will come. Okay, astapyata will come because it has to be bhuta form similar to one avandata. Same alabata. So astapyata form. Okay. So pradhyapakena vicharah astapyata. Like that. Okay.
Okay.
But that instead of using that, they have taught us this kta method, upasthapitah, and focus on vicharah upasthapitah. It's easier. Okay. Over time, you will appreciate kta pratyaya is easier than karmani bhuta lang. Okay.
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 Mahila.
Thanks. Here, one more you try, Hiral Bagini. You waited so long.
Yeah.
Continue.
Mahila bihi charcha kruta. A discussion was held by women.
Mahila bihi, by mahilas. See, bahuvachana, tritiya vibhakti. Okay. Mahilaya, mahilabhyam, mahila bihi. Like that. Okay. Charcha krita. Strilinga charcha. So krita. Mahila, mahile, mahilaha. Mahilam, mahile, mahilaha. Mahilaya, mahilabhyam, mahilabihi. Sitavat. Okay. Thank you, Hiral Bagini. Let us invite somebody that I have not pulled in so far. Vivan Varye. Vivan, can you unmute yourself? You are able to participate. Next one. Next few sentences.
Gopalakaihi padyani ukkani.
Correct.
Poems were recited by cowherds.
So Gopalakaha padyani vadanti would be the lat form. Gopalakaha padyani vadanti. Gopalakaihi padyani uchyate is the karmani. Uchyante is a little difficult form, but anyway, uchyante would be the lat karmani. Now, but we have to go to bhutakala also. So instead of wondering how to take this dhatu to bhutakala and karmani, I can just go to padyani uktani. This is easier. Okay. Once you start practicing these forms, this become easier. Gopalakaihi padyani uktani. By the Gopalakas, the poems were recited. Okay. Continue, madam.
Karmakaraihi prakoshtaha marjitaha. The rooms were swept by workers.
Karmakaraha is one worker, masculine. Karmakaraihi is the same masculine word, but in Tritiya Bahuvachana. By many masculine or male workers, masculine worker, who knows? Male workers, okay? Because the word masculine as you use in English has a different sense. Okay. Karmakaraihi prakoshtaha, many rooms, plurality of rooms. Marjitaha were cleaned. Marjitaha is the same form for Pullinga and Strilinga. So, because plural, see Sita, Site, Sitaha, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. So, Ramaha, Sitaha both have aha ending. Same way, Marjita, Strilinga is also Marjitaha, Pullinga is also Marjitaha. So, Prakoshtaha, Marjitaha. Many rooms were swept. But if it is Napumsakalinga, then Marjitani will come. So, let us say Griham, right? Griham is Napumsaka. So, Grihani, I think Hakara comes. So, Grihani, Marjitani, like that. Okay. Continue, madam.
Margadarshinyam margaha darshitaha. The roads were shown by the guide, female guide.
Correct. Okay. why the female is put in bracket is because Margadarshini is there. Okay, not Margadarshakaha. Margadarshakaha is a male guide. Okay, a female guide is Margadarshini, like Priyadarshini. We know the name, no? Indira Gandhi's first name. So Priyadarshini, Margadarshini, like that. So Margadarshiniya. So Ikaranta Strilinga. So Nya will come. Okay. So similar to Sitaya also, Akaranta Strilinga also has similar ending, but Sitaya will become here Nya, Margadarshiniya will come. So Margaha, many roads, many paths. Darshitaha were shown. Okay, so plurality. But Margaha is a masculine word. Okay, incidentally. Plural of that is Margaha. So plural of Darshitaha is Darshitaha in masculine. It would be same in feminine, but it is masculine here because Margaha is masculine. Continue, madam.
Aparikeena shatikaha vikritaha. Saris was sold by the shopkeeper.
He always is trying to sell the saris. So we have to say sorry. Apanikena shatikaha vikritaha. So krayana is some kind of a trade. Okay. Generally krayana means purchase. But vikrayana means same trade but in a distancing way. That means the apanika is getting rid of his stock on the poor females. Apanikena shatikaha vikritaha. So by the shopkeeper. Apanikaha is the guy who is the keeper of the shop. Okay, apanam. Apanam means shop. Apanikaha means a guy who minds the shop, the seller. Okay, apanikena tritiya ekavachana. Shatikaha strilinga bahuvachana. Okay, shatika, shatike, shatikaha. Sita, site, sitahavat. Okay, vikritaha. Sita type only. Vikrita, vikrite, vikrita. So it runs pretty much like some standard Strilinga words. So it's not too difficult to run it. Okay. So apanikena shatikaha vikritaha. Saris were sold by the shopkeeper. Last one for you, madam.
Nartakibihi falani khaditani. Fruits were eaten by the female dancers.
Again, they have put in brackets because nartaki. Nartakaha is pullinga form. Nartaki is strilinga form. Like I told you, Sanskrit has a technology for feminizing, feminining, if there is a English word like that, a pratipadika which is normally masculine. There are some natural feminine pratipadikas, there is no doubt, but the dominant number of pratipadikas generate in masculine form first. Then there is a technique of making it female version. Okay. Similarly, there are Napumsakalinga Pratipadikas also. I don't know if some of them can go through the Stri Pratyaya to become a female Pratipadika. I need to ask the experts for that. It's a little technical. But anyway, this Stri Pratyaya is another type of Pratyaya technique available in Sanskritam to convert and represent things in masculine or feminine like that. So, apanikaha, apanika. Okay. Nartakaha, nartaki. Sometimes this E will appear on the last letter, sometimes it appears on the previous place. So it's a little technical where it appears. So over time we will pick up the forms itself rather than understand the prakriya. But a Vyakarana expert will understand the prakriya and know what is Shuddha, what is Ashuddha. Okay.
In this Margadarshiniya, Margaha Darshita, in this, can you please tell me the Vibhakti form, Madhe?
Sure. See, Margadarshinya, by the lady guide. So by means it is a Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachana. Sitaya, like that. Margadarshinya, like that. Okay. So that is Tritiya Ekavachana. Then the Karma Pada is in Prathama Vibhakti. Karma Pada is Margaha, but it is in Prathama Vibhakti because it's Karmani. So Margaha, many roads. Darshitaha is also in Prathama Bahuvachana to track the Margaha. Okay. It is a Kta Pratyaya Bhutakridanta Darshitaha. So Margaha Darshitaha, Margaha Darshitaha. If it is two roads, then Margau Darshitau. Okay. Margadarshinya Margau Darshitau. This is Pullinga. The fact that the Kridanta is in Pullinga is because the Karmapada is in Pullinga. The fact that the guide is female doesn't influence the masculinity or femininity of the Kridanta. Kridanta, Bhuta Kridanta Kta. Kta Kridanta, not any Kridanta. Kta Kridanta will track the Karmapada. Okay? If Karmapada is absent, absent due to inability for the Karmapada to be present. Okay, remember that. If it is Akarmaka Dhatu, then it will be in Napumsakalinga. Okay? Like Margadarshinya Stiyate, like that. But that Darshita, Darshitam. If suppose Darshana Dhatu is Akarmaka, then kill the Marga. Marga Darshinya, Darshitam will come if it were Akarmaka. I'm imagining. It is Sakarmaka, so that won't come into picture. You have to imagine some Karma Pada and say it. But if you just say Darshitam, then it is the Uha of the reader to understand what is being shown as some Napunsakalinga thing. Okay, that's all. Nartakibihi Phalani Khaditani. I heard Vivan say Phalani, and unfortunately, because in Hindi this is pronounced as Fa due to Persian influence on the language. Okay, there is no Fa in Sanskritam. There is only Pa, Mahaprana, PH. So the Pakara has to come with the Hakara, Pa, like that. So Nartakibihi Phalani Khaditani, we have to say, not Phalani. Fa is an absent letter in our letter set. Okay, if we have to use it, then Devanagari has an extended version called dotted letter. So you have to write the Pakara and write 2 dots below on either side, like this, dot, 2 dots below. If you write 2 dots below, then we are influencing the Pakara to become Fakara, like that. Okay, so if you want to say Fa, we have to write 2 dots in Devanagari, and that is kind of extended Devanagari, not needed for Sanskritam. Okay, any question?
Nartakibihi, this is Tritiya or Chaturthi?
Tritiya, everything is Tritiya here. Okay, Ramena, Devena, Balakaihi, Pradhyapakane, everything is Tritiya. Okay, because it's Karmani form. So Nartakibihi is Tritiya Bahuvachana. Balika, Balikabihi, Nartakibihi, Sitabihi, Sita, Site, Sitaha, Sitam, Site, Sitaha, Sitaya, Sitabhyam, Sitabihi. Sitabihi. So Nartakibihi. Got it?
Okay.
No problem.
Because Bihi is there in both the Tritiya as well as in Chaturthi.
That is true. But here, sentence, I know it is Karmani form, so I have to take the contextual Tritiya. There is no sense if I take Chaturthi, that there is no context coming for this. Okay? It might come in some places, but something else is missing, which has to fill the Karta. Here the Karta is filled by Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay? All the above sentences are, thank you very much, Vivanji. All the above sentences are in passive voice and past tense. Hence, they follow these rules of Karmani Prayoga. The subject is in Tritiya, the object is in Prathama, the verb is following the object. Kartari Prayoga, the subject is in Prathama and the object is in Dvitiya, and the verb follows the subject. It's a repetition of old lesson, nothing new there. Today we saw with more examples, it becomes a little bit more internalized how to do the Kta Pratyaya Prayoga. Okay, so that's what they so okay, I should have unraveled this a little earlier. So this is what I was trying to tell earlier. Also looks like I had done something to help us. Okay, Ramaha Prathama Karyam Dvitiya Karoti Lat Kartari. Okay. This is what I was explaining earlier in air with you guys. I could have unraveled this. Ramena by Rama Tritiya. So Rama shifts to Tritiya. Karyam, if it is Napumsaka Shabda, so in Dvitiya and Prathama it looks the same. Karyam. Okay, but it is in Prathama here. Kriyate. Okay, so Lat Karmani. This is Lat Karmani. Now we have to go to past tense. Okay, so Ramaha Karyam Akarot is Lang Kartari. This first line, Ramaha Karyam Karoti, shift to past tense, Ramaha Karyam Akarot, Lang Kartari. Okay, still remains active voice, Kartari. Now, shifting that to Tavatu Kartari. This is another Kridanta wizard, right? We can go Ramaha Karyam Kritavan. So we can associate Ramaha with the fellow who did. So Ramaha Karyam Kritavan. Ram ne Karyu ko jo kiya wo hua. Jo kiya ho wo hua is Kritavan. It's the only way I can explain in Hindi. Okay, Kritavan. So here the same thing, if I want to go to Karmani mode, Tavatu shifts to Kta. So Ramena Karyam Pratama, no Kritam, it will happen. Karyam is Napumsaka, so Kritam follows Napumsaka Linga, Kta Karmani, Napumsake Ekavachane. Okay, is it clear, this lines? Okay, it should help us. Let's move forward. What I have not shown in these lines is what I tried in the earlier. We can also take this to Karmani, Lang Karmani. Lang Karmani is not a easy prayoga, but you can do. So Akarot, for example, so we have to go to Akuryata, something like that. Okay, Akuryata, Ramena Karyam Akuryata. It's not very intuitive to do that, because the prayoga in the modern day Sarala Sanskritam that we use, Sanskrit Bharati also teaches us just stick with Ktavatu and Kta. It's easier for you. That can all confuse you. But it's there. It's not to be, I mean, not to say it is not to be used. It is difficult to use. That's all. Now, there are some verbs in active to passive. So Kartari Karmani shifts, they have demonstrated a good set of examples for us. So this sheet can be very useful. So let us have someone help us. Sweetie Shinde, you are available? Today your dog is not disturbing you much. Please read this for us slowly, madam.
Yes. Let us see how verbs in active voice change in the passive voice. In Kartari, Balika Katham Shrutavati becomes Balikaya Katha Shruta in Karmani.
Karmani. So what is happening? Katham is in Strilinga actually, Katha, but it is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. So Katham and Shrutavati, here they have moved to Ktavatu. Instead of actual Lakara form, they have shifted to Ktavatu. Like I showed in the previous slide, na? Kritavan, Kritam, that forms they have taken. Ktavatu, Kta, Ktavatu, Kta, Ktavatu, Kta. So this column is full of Ktavatu. This column is full of Kta Kridantas as the placeholder for Kriyapada. Remember, Balika, Katham, Shrutavati, Asit, we have to say. Okay? Or Asti, Bhavishyati. We don't know what the Kriyapada skala is. But Shrutavati is in past tense. Okay? So whatever Katha reading, hearing, she did in the past. Now she is, she will be, or she was is irrelevant for this. It's not been put there. Contextually, you have to pick it up. Continue, madam. Sorry.
Dvitiya, Saha Bruksham Drushtavan changes into Tena Brukshaha Drushtaha.
Pullinga happened here. The Vriksham is Pullinga Dvitiya Vibhakti. Vrikshaha Pullinga Prathama Vibhakti. So Drishtaha. Continue, madam. See, one more thing I want to point out. This Drishtavan is in Pullinga because of Saha. Shrutavati is in Strilinga because of Balika. Because Kartari, Kriyapada or Kriya placement of Kridanta also follows the Karta. So Balika Shrutavati, Balakaha Shrutavan, Saha Drishtavan, Sa Drishtavati, like that it goes. Okay, continue, madam.
Tritiyaha, Archakaha Devam Architavan becomes Archakena Devaha Architaha.
Architaha. So Archakena by the Archaka, which is a Pullinga word. So it is Rama Shabdavat, Ramena, Archakena, Devaha, Pullinga, the god, the male god, or the male divine person. God. Deva is actually not God, God, as we say. Deva is simply a divine person. Okay. Devaha, Architaha was the became the person who was preyed upon or offered some offerings, something like that. Architaha. Continue, madam.
Chaturthaha, Nirvahika Suchanaha Dattavati becomes Nirvahikaya Suchanaha Dattaha.
So Suchanaha is Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachana of Suchana. Suchana is a Strilinga pada. Suchana is a Strilinga pada. Because only ladies know how to give that. We put it in Strilinga. Sorry about that. Okay. So Suchana Dattavati. So here Nirvahika is controlling the Strilingatva of Dattavati, not Suchana. Nirvahika Suchanaha Dattavati. Because even see, plurality is not there. It's not tracking Suchana. It is tracking Nirvahika. One single conductor. One single conductor gave the directions or the instructions, you can say. Okay, so Dattavati. Here, by that same directress, okay, if I want to go to Strilinga form of English also, by the same directress, the directions were given. Directions is Strilinga Shabda, Dattaha, but it's not apparent to us because it's Bahuvachana. So but you know, Suchanaha is incorrect. You know, Suchana is correct. That we know by heart. So Ekavachana form teaches us Linga better. So Suchanaha Dattaha. Continue, madam.
पंचम तंत्रज्ञः गृहम् अवलोकितवान् तंत्रज्ञेन गृहम् अवलोकितम्.
Griham avalokitavan. Griham is in karma position, but it is actually Napumsakalinga Shabda. So it sounds the same in Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti. Griham, Griham. But here Tantrajna is controlling the Kriya Pada and Tantrajna is a Pullinga. So avalokitavan. Avalokanam means to observe. Okay, Ikshanam, Avalokanam. So overview, something like that. Okay. So Tantrajnaha Griham avalokitavan. The architect maybe. The house he inspected, something like that. You can take the meaning. Tantragnena, by the architect, the house. Avalokitam, because Griham is Napumsaka Ekavachana, Avalokitam is in Napumsaka Ekavachana, Kta Pratyaya, Avalokitam. So some masculine, Avalokitaha, masculine plural, Avalokitaha, like that. Okay, continue, madam.
षष्ठः वैद्यः अस्वस्थान् परिशीलितवान्. वैद्येन अस्वस्थाः परिशीलिताः.
Aswastha Pullinga Ekavachana, Aswastaha Pullinga Bahuvachana. So Parishilitaha, Parishilitaha, because of Bahuvachana, Parishilitaha. Vaidyaha, Vaidyena. Pullinga in Prathama Vibhakti here, Vaidyaha, in Tritiya Vibhakti here, Vaidyena. Continue, madam.
सप्तमः छात्राः नाटकानि अभिनीतवन्तः. छात्रैः नाटकानि अभिनीतानि.
Chatraha Natakani Abhinitavantah. Chatraha Chatraha, plural masculine. Chatraha. So Prathama Vibhakti as a Karta in Kartari. Natakani Napumsakalinga Bahuvachana Karma position. So it is in 2.3. You can immediately say 2.3. Okay. Bahuvachana Dvitiya Vibhakti. Abhinitavantaha. Abhinaya is to enact. Abhinitavantaha became the fellows who enacted. So entire sentence is hiding in that Kridanta. Okay. So the students, the place became the fellows who enacted. Asit or something has to be understood. Asan, sorry. Asan because Chatraha. So we don't have to say it. Chatraihi by the same students, the same place but in Prathama Vibhakti. Natakani 1.3. Abhinitani 1.3 were enacted. Natakani Abhinitani. Here Pullinga, here Napumsaka, because it has to start tracking Nataka. That's what they are trying to highlight, how it is shifting Linga and Vachana. See, here it was Bahuvachana Pullinga because Chatraha was Bahuvachana Pullinga. Here it is Ekavachana Napumsakalinga, sorry, Bahuvachana Napumsakalinga because Natakani is Bahuvachana Napumsakalinga. 1.3, 1.3. Okay, continue, madam.
अष्टमः जनकः भगिनीः आहूतवान्. जनकेन भगिन्यः आहूताः.
Note this Bahuvachana Bhaginihi. Okay, this is a little difficult word. Bhagini Shabda. Okay, Bhaginihi is the Pullinga form. Okay, it's a little difficult Shabda. Okay, and it's in Dvitiya also. It is obviously is in Bahuvachana is the same form, Bhaginihi, like that. Okay. Bhaginihi, actually Bhagini Shabda, just Bhagini, Bhaginyo, Bhaginyah, Bhagini, Bhaginihi is Dvitiya Bahuvachana form only. Yeah. Anybody remembers this word?
It's like form? Nadi, sir. It's like Nadi. Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyah, Nadi, Nadyo, Nadi.
Correct.
Nadihi. Nadi, Nadyo, Nadihi. Correct.
Bhaginyah, Lekinyah.
Lekin. So Bhaginyah, but that is Ekavachana. Like Sweetie Varya was saying, it goes to Nadim, Nadyo, Nadyo, Nadihi, something like that. It's a little difficult Dvitiya Vibhakti. One of the rare cases I have seen where Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachana doesn't track the Ekavachana. Okay. It's important to remember this form. And so when it shifts to Prathama Vibhakti, see how it switches back to its original form Bhaginyah. Bhagini, Bhaginyo, Bhaginyah, Bhaginyo, Bhaginyah. like that. Bhaginyah. So Bhaginihi in Dvitiya Vibhakti. One of the important Strilinga forms to learn. Nadi Shabda. Okay. Continue, madam.
नवमः माधवी पुष्पाणि आनीतवती माधव्या पुष्पाणि आनीतानि.
Napumsaka Bahuvachana. Here it is Strilinga Ekavachana. Madhavi Anitavati. Pushpani is not influencing. So minimum I can say is Madhavi Anitavati. Madhavi brought something. But what? Pushpani. Madhavya Pushpani Anitani. Here I have to say minimum sentence. I have to say Pushpani Anitani. Flowers were brought. By whom? Madhavya. She comes almost in a secondary role in the sentence. Continue.
दशमः भगिन्यः सत्कारं कृतवत्यः भगिनीभिः सत्कारः कृतः.
So Tritiya Vibhakti Sitabhihi, like that. Bhaginibihi. So Bhaginyah, Bhagini Shabdi again coming back. So we have to make sure we know this one. Bhaginyah, plural 1.3, 2.1 and 1.3 because it's tracking Karta. So 1.3 Krutavatyah, Krutavati, Krutavatyau, Krutavatyah. Bhagini, Bhaginyau, Bhaginyah. It runs the same as Bhagini. Then Bhagini bihi Satkaraha, but here Krita has no relationship to Bhagini, so it starts associating with Satkara, which is Pratama Ekavachana Pullinga. So it is also Pratama Ekavachana Pullinga Krita. It is a Karma Pada Satkara, but it is in Pratama Vibhakti. So that's why we should not stick to Pratama Vibhakti is Karta, Dvitiya Vibhakti is Karma. No. That is the Kartari Karaka. The Karmani Karaka shift the Vibhaktis. Okay. All right. So Satkaraha Kritaha Pullinga Pullinga. Observe that only portion of the verb pointed in bold. Invited. Ahvana, you know, no? Same thing. Ahutavan became the fellow who invited. Janakaha Bhaginihi Ahutavan. The father, the many sisters, he became the fellow who invited them. All that is embedded in this Ahutavan. Observe that the only portion of the verb printed in bold is in Kartari, happens to be the verb in Karmani. See. What they are pointing out is an important sentence. What it is? See, Shruta Vati. Take Shruta and work. Drishta Van. Take Drishta and work. That's what they are trying to tell us. Take Archita and work to the Kta Pratyaya. So when you want to go from Ktavatu to Kta, take out the portion correctly. Archita, Van, take out Architaha or Architam, Archita, like that you go. Dattavati, so Dattaha, Datta, Dattam, like that you go. Remove the Vati, Van, all those things they are trying to tell us. So Vati, Van, Vantaha, all those you have to take out. Now it so happens that they haven't used any Pullinga Karta. Suppose we used Mitra, which is our standard Napumsakalinga Karta. What am I saying?
One doubt.
Yeah,
Is it similar to the one we read in the last lesson? Guru Dakshina Maya Datavya. It was in present.
Correct. Right? Maya, actually, they just put the Maya in the middle. See, we should not get what you call fall into the trap of thinking first position is always Karta, second position is Arve Karma, like that. Guru Dakshina Maya Datta, in this form, we will say Maya Guru Dakshina Datta. Okay. By me, Guru Dakshina was given. Then you first put the Karta, identify the Karta and put it in the first place in your brain. Then go put Karta, then put Kriya. Then it will start. Okay. Thank you, Sweetie Varya. I'll mute only. Actually, some nice verses were being read in the background, but because we are trying to learn, we will move on from that. Okay. So there are some examples now they have given us. So let us have someone help us out. Jyotirmani. Okay, she may be busy, not able to unmute, I think. Swarna Kumari, J. Swarna Kumari. Can you try out a few, madam? What you have to do, suppose gatavan is given, then you have to write the three forms in karmani, that is gataha, gata, gatam, the pullinga, strilinga and napumsaka forms. They have only shown the pullinga form in kartari, but you have to imagine and put the other ones. So patitavan.
Patitavan, patitaha, patitaha, patitam.
Very good. Number 2.
Drishtaha, drishta, drishtam.
Now when you read, just to help others, you read this also and then say this. Okay. Well done. Next one.
Likitavan, likitaha, likita, likitam.
Very good.
Ishtavan, ishtaha, ishta, ishtam.
Very good.
Neetavan, neetaha, neeta, neetam. Suptavan, suptaha, supta, suptam.
Very good.
Nirudhavan, nirudaha, niruda, nirudam.
Correct.
Mrutavan, mrutaha, mruta, mrutam.
Well done. Thank you, Varye. Thanks for participating. Pooja Shetty, Varye, are you available to help us?
Yes.
Can you try this?
Yeah. Militavan, militaha, milita, militam.
Very good.
Dagdavan, dagdaha, dagda, dagdam.
Correct.
Kalpitavan, kalpitaha, kalpita, kalpitam.
Correct.
Varditavan, varditaha, vardita, varditam.
Correct.
Pakshaalitavan.
Not pra.
Prakshaalitavan, prakshaalitaha, prakshaalita, prakshalitam.
Correct.
Marjitavan, marjitaha,
Don't do dirgha of ikara. Read it again.
Marjitavan, marjitaha, marjita, okay, marjitam.
Don't dirgha. Don't see, you're seeing the ikara to the left, no? When this ikara comes to the left, don't do dirgha. If it is dirgha, it comes to the right. Okay? Like here, neetavan, it comes to the right like that. So because this is to the left, that ikara is to the left, it is hrisva. So marjitavan, I am making it little more hrisva than normal. Marjitavan becomes marjitaha, marjita, marjitam. Don't make it marjitaha, marjita, that sounds wrong. Okay? Well done. Next one.
Pitavan, pitaha, pita, pitam.
Pitam, correct.
Darshitavan, darshitaha, darshita, darshitam.
Darshitam. Well done. Okay. I know what is really happening. I know, Pooja ji. What happens is when we are thinking, that swara drags in our mouth. That is what is happening. You are not intending to pronounce it long, but when you start thinking dot like that in your brain, so marji like that will come in the mouth. It happens. Thank you very much. Well done.
Mahoday, what are the original dhatu for supta, nirudha and mruta?
Okay. Some of them have upasargas. Okay. I will attempt. I won't promise anything. For example, patita means read, right? So patitaha is a fellow who read, a lady who read, was read by. Sorry, not a fellow who read. Something that is masculine that was read is patitaha. I should rephrase myself carefully. Okay. Something that was feminine that was read is patita. So, for example, let us say Shrutihi patita. Shruti, Veda is a Strilinga Shabda. Shrutihi. So, Shrutihi patita. Okay. Pustakam patitam. Okay. Grantaha patitaha. That's a good example for these forms. Okay. Drish dhatu is to see. So, drishtaha is some masculine thing that was seen. Grantaha drishtaha. Purushaha drishtaha. Mahila drishta. Mitram drishtam. Like that. Okay. Or pushpam drishtam. Like that. Okay.
No, sir. No. The original dhatu, like it was drusha pashya for drushtavan. So what is the dhatu, original dhatu for suptavan, for mrutavan and nirudhavan?
Suptavan, sup, I think. Supt looks like. Okay, suptu dhatu. It seems like that. We'll have to check. Okay, that is sleep related. Nirudha is to ni is an upasarga. Rudh. Okay, this one is same dhatu that gives arohana and such words. Ruh dhatu, I think. Okay, so to bear is the meaning of ruh dhatu. Okay, so ni is an upasarga. Undertook. Nirudaha is some masculine thing that was undertaken. Okay, so karyaha nirudaha. So ramena karyaha nirudaha. Athwa if it is karyam, then nirudham, like that. Okay, like that it goes. And what was the other one? Supta niru.
Mrutavan.
Marana. So it is mr dhatu only. Okay, mr is the dhatu for marana. Okay, so mrutavan. So dead. Something. So for example, how will you use this mrutaha? Let us see. It is easy to apply it as an adjective. So mrutaha ravanaha swargam gatavan. The dead Ravana went to swarga, like that I can use. But mrutaha as a actual active in place, what can be the masculine thing that can be dead? Praharena vrikshaha mrutaha. Okay, so like that. By the hitting, the tree died like that. Okay. Banena Ravanaha mrutaha, like that. Okay. By the Bana, the Ravana was dead. Something like that you can use. Okay. But it's almost a border case whether that mruta is like a Visheshana or is it like a kind of a kta kridanta in active position. It's very borderline. You can take in both sense. Yeah. Okay. All right. Unfortunately, the Ashtadhyayi.com has not yet developed for Kridanta forms. All the Kridanta sets there are absent, so not searchable. Hopefully that will grow in a couple of years with people's help. Something will happen there and we can become a good place to look for Kridantas. But right now, the looking up Kridanta is a long form exercise. We have to go to Kridanta, some Rupavali, some books like that, and go to the Dhatu section, look at the Kridanta forms and struggle. Even Janardhana Hegde Varya has taken popular Kridantas and written a book. So we can get that book from Sanskrit Bharati and keep it. That's also a book. Okay, so with that we will move forward. Sorry, I am not able to give you all the complete detailed answer. I wish I knew enough. If I knew that much, I would also been placed in some other to teach something else which I'm not yet qualified for. That's why I'm still in Parichaya teaching. So you should only expect so much from me. Number 2. So let's see if someone else can help us. Radha Balasubramaniam. Can you try this? Bhuta Kartari and Bhuta Karmani forms of the following verb. One has been given. Karoti, Kritavan, Kritavati. That is Bhuta Kartari. So they have given the Lat Lakara form. Vartamane, Lat Vartamane. So Karoti. Kritavan, Kritavati is the Bhuta Kartari. Like Ramaha, Karyam, Kritavan. Sita, Karyam, Kritavati. So here something Kritaha by Ramaha. Some masculine thing was kritaha, some feminine thing was krita, some neutral thing was kritam, like that, those forms. Don't worry about the balance sentence. Let us see if we can follow the prototype and help us with the first 5. Continue, madam.
Okay. Janati. Janitavan.
Good try. I don't. I was also giving the same answer. Very good. You caught on. Gnatavan. Very good.
Gnatavan, Gnatavati, Gnatavataha.
Don't take out the one. See the red portion. Take out the red. Take the Gnata and then do.
Okay. Gnatavati. Karmani prayogaha. Gnatavataha.
No. Gnataha. That's all. Don't need to go Varna. See, Vanvati comes from Tavatu. Take that red out. take the black portion and apply the karmani form for kta pratyaya. So jnatah will come. Okay.
Jnatah, jnata, jnatam.
Correct. Okay. Now, when you say, I know microphone and internet channel will mute some of the correct voice you may be saying. Don't say nya. Don't say gya. It is neither gya not nya. It is both gnya, jnata. So little bit like jakara has to come jnata, but it's okay to say jnata. Okay. Jnata. Ga is a little under throat only, doesn't come out. Jnata like that. Okay. Jnatah, jnata, jnatam. Like that. Okay. Next one.
Shaknoti. Shaknavan.
Good try. Good try. Shaknavan. It sounds, looking at na, you're influenced to say na, but it is Shaktavan. Takara will come. Shaktavan.
Okay. Shaktavan, Shaktavati.
Shaktavan, Shaktavati. In the printed text, the kta appears like this, but you can write kakara with a ta below. That's okay. But here they don't put the full kakara oral. They put that half kakara and takara. Okay. All right. Then.
Sir, it is not Shaknuvan.
No, Shakta. Shakta. There is no repamsha. Shakta.
No, Shaknuvan.
No, it is not Shaknuvan. It is Shaktavan. Shaktavan. Shaktavati. What is there in textbook? Let's go to the correct page.
Shaktavati only, sir.
Correct. Shaktavan, Shaktavati only. I'm right. 6th lesson. Set 2. Yeah, Shaktavan. Same thing. Correct answer only. Okay. So Kshatavati. Now try the Karmani, madam.
Shaktaha, Shakta, Shaktam.
Perfect. Okay. Well done. So I'm so happy you are trying. That is more important than knowing the correct answer in the end and all that. Shrunoti.
Shrunoti, Shrutavam.
Very good. Shrutavan.
Shrutavati.
Correct.
Shrutaha.
Correct.
Shruta, Shrutam.
Perfect. You got it 100% right. Dadati. All these are little complex verbs. You got the tough stick today.
Okay. Dattavan.
Very good. Dattavan.
Dattavati.
Dattavati.
Dattataha.
Dattataha. No extra ta. Dattaha. That ta is together. Double ta is together. Dattaha.
Dattaha. Dattha. Dattam.
Don't produce a hakara because it's still alpa prana. Though it is a double ta, there is no ha coming out. Okay. Dattavan. Dattavan. Little, what we call this, how do we pronounce these double letters is, you give one halant attack, then you repeat it a little bit. Dattavan, Dattavan, like that. But the t should not separate. Dattavan, like that should come. Okay. Don't make it Dattavan.
Yiktha is coming, no?
What is happening in your mouth? No, the second ta sounds like Mahaprana. It should not become Mahaprana. Okay, that is important. Anyway, it's continuously let us improve. That's all. Okay. Dattaha, Datta, Dattam. Well done. Thank you very much, Radhavariye.
Thank you.
Welcome. Krishnan. Krishna Kumar. Krishnan Ishwaran I have called earlier. Krishna Kumar, let us try. Krishna Kumar.
No, I am not right, sir.
Oh, sorry. Krishna Kumar, wait. Krishnan Varya is upset.
No.
Krishnan Varya's chance please now. Okay. So
welcome,
number 5 for you, sir. Number 5 onwards for you.
Krinati,
Dirgha.
Krinati, Kritavan, Kritavati.
Correct. Kritavan, Kritavati.
Kritaha, Krita, Kritam.
Perfect. Kritaha, Krita, Kritam. So a fellow who was a lady who bought, some masculine thing that was bought, some feminine thing that was bought, some neutral gender thing that was bought. I am saying deliberately in English thing because karma is always like a thing in both Dravida Bhasha and English. So I am going that way. But of course, in the other bhashas where objects have lingas, it is like Sanskritam. Like Hindi, for example, has that thing. Okay, number 6.
Smritavan.
No, read the word
Okay,
also.
okay. Smarati.
Hmm.
Smritavan, Smritavati, Smritaha, Smrita, Smritam.
Perfect. You got it all right. Okay. Next one.
Next. Apasarati.
Ah,
Apasrutavan,
correct.
Apasrutavati, Apasrutaha, Apasruta, Apasrutam.
Perfect. Okay. Next,
Okay, sir.
just stand by. I will give the
Okay,
other
okay.
Krishna a chance. Thank you.
Sure.
Krishna Kumar. Krishna Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Last 3 for you.
Apahariti, apahृतवान्, अपहृतवती,
Correct.
अपहृतः, अपहृता, अपहृतम्.
Perfect.
Kampyate.
No. There is no yakara.
Sorry. Kampate, kampitavan,
Correct.
kampitavati, kampitah, kampita, kampitam.
Perfect. Kampitah, kampita, kampitam.
Vartate, vartitavan, vartitavati, vartidah, vartida, vartitam.
Correct. Vartitah, vartita, vartita. See what is happening for Atmanepadi. See, kamp ate, that the dhatu seems to get the itavan forms. Okay, itavan, itavati. I mean, to the extent of the couple of examples we have seen of Atmane, there seems to be an ikara getting generated in addition to the, so itavan, itavati, like that is coming. Okay. So that is not happening so far, but suddenly started happening here. Okay. So something to keep in mind. Let us confirm that slowly. By practice, we will know. Okay. All right. So what is the meaning quickly? Karoti does, janati knows, shaknoti is able to, shrunoti listens, dadati gives. Okay. It's ekavachana form. Dadati, dadatah, dadati. The plural form is weird. Dadati. It looks like the shorter of the two. So dadati is plural, dadati is singular. Krinati purchases, smarati remembers, apasarati removes, okay, moves something away, apaharati steals, kampate shakes, vardate grows. Okay, atmanepadi, 2 dhatus. Grows in the sense,
So
not gross, grows. Yes, sir.
Krinati dhatu is kri.
Kri.
There is also a dhatu called krinya.
Yeah, kriya dhatu is
both the same.
No, one is generating karoti, one is generating krinati.
Okay. Krinati is with krinya.
Actually, that is kri is actually r amsha. Kri.
Sorry, your voice getting it.
Oh, sorry. See, we will go to the dhatu pata and see what you're saying, because it's important.
Okay, sorry for digressing, but then it.
No, everything is learning, so nothing is digression. Just stand by. Oh, it's a hot link in my page. I use it so many times. So I'm going to dhatupata of ashtadhyayi.com. Okay, and see, kri dhatu, right? That is the to do, to make dhatu. Okay, it comes actually in couple of groups with slightly different meaning. See, here in himsa also kri is there, from which words like krura and all those things come out: to kill, to destroy, to irritate. Okay, so that is a different meaning and a different gana also. If you see, this is pratama gana and this is panchama gana. See,
Kriya comes in 9th gana, navama gana.
Where is it? Okay, I have not typed the kri, so let us type the kri. To kri, to buy. See here, right? So kri dhatu. So this one, if I click, I will get that krinati form. Okay. Yeah. In fact, in this search is brilliant. Not only you need to know the dhatu, you can type any form that you see. Okay.
Yeah, sir. I use it. Yeah.
Krinati, if you type, it will actually show you the exact lakara under which that comes. So it shows the dhatu, and so if you click that, you will actually highlight directly to that form. Okay. And if it is multiple, it will show multiple highlights also. It's pretty smart. Okay. One should keep thanking these fellows. This is Nilesh
Sir,
Bot.
what is apasarati, sir?
Apasarati removes. Apasarati
Oh,
means
thank you.
suppose something is there in front of you. If you move it away from you, it is called apasarana. Okay. So apasarati is. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Most welcome. Just a minute. Let me share the right thing again.
So Dhatu Rupani is given at the end after all the lessons.
Huh. Yeah.
Dhatu
Correct. In the
In
textbook
page
also
number
there is a
209,
chapter.
Prinati is given to buy Kriyate, Akriyata, Kritaha, Kriyatam, Kriniyat, Kriyeta.
Correct. I'm looking at it.
Great,
Page
yeah.
209. Yes, correct. 11th
209.
dhatu. Correct.
Yes.
So madam has advice. See, even within the book, there are a lot of places where help is there. So you should.
Yeah, even Ubhayapadi dhatus are given.
Why did you say Ubhayapadi? Where is that title? Anyway. No, there are Atmanepadi dhatus, there are Ubhayapadi dhatus, there are pure Parasmaipadi dhatus also. I don't know how you concluded Ubhayapadi.
No,
I think
that is
what you
also
wanted to say,
We
what you
have-
wanted to say was both types of dhatus are given. Okay. All right. That was a good exercise, but we will skip 3 because we can keep doing this. So you guys need to try 3. Try to convert it and practice and check the book afterwards. Let the book become your teacher to correct yourself. Okay. Don't go to the final part and then, so a lot of examples to practice. Okay. So
No, for Dadati, both Parasmaipadi and Atmanepadi Rupani are given. So that's when I got to.
oh, wait. Let me see. Which page number, madam?
198.
198. Some of them are Ubhayapadi. Oh, you are looking at full Lakara forms they have given also.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah, that is Ubhayapadi. Oh, now I know where you are reading Ubhayapadi from. Because in page 208 there was no reference to Padi. Okay, that's why I got confused. You are right. It is an Ubhayapadi. So Dadati, Datte form, which is very rare to use. Datte, Dadate, Dadate. My God, I will never remember that. Samskrita is like bigger than the Indian Ocean.
No, after seeing all these, I got really confused. Kind of.
No. Just get encouraged and ask that you get one more life to come back and try it. That's all I ask.
That's true.
Okay. So you guys try all this. So Vyavahara Shabdavali is the next. You guys can, practice this. There is not much help I can give. But anyway, very quickly, someone can read before we conclude today so that we can end on an easy note. It has been a difficult set of lessons. So let's invite Jyotirmani. Are you available now, Jyotirmani? She's very shy. I don't know why. Geeta Parihar. Jyotirmani. You are unmuted, madam. Can you read for us these things?
Okay. Yes, sir. Shikshika Shlokam Patitavati.
No. You are a little bit somewhere else. We are in the Vyavahara Shabdavali, in section 2.
Shabdani. Urukam Yotakam.
No, you see, you have to read the English meaning also, just to help others.
English, okay. Urukam trousers. Yotakam shirt. Arthorukam knickers. Antaryutakam baniyan. Karamshukam jibba. Padamshukam pajamas. Veshti
Veshtihi. Yeah.
Veshtihi dhoti.
Mm.
Chhatraveshti lungi.
Mm.
Shatika sari. Cholaha blouse. Nicholaha long skirt.
Mm.
Ardhanicholaha skirt.
Mm.
Proncha.
Very good. Pronchaha.
Pronchaha towel. Karavastram handkerchief. Karavastram
Handkerchief. Correct. Handkerchief is correct. Handkerchief. Karavastram. And then
Karavastram handkerchief.
Urnika.
Urnika muffler. Kantakam bangle. Kantahara necklace. Tatanka ear studs. Anguliyakam finger ring. Nasabaranam nose stud. Mekala waistband. Keyuram armlet.
correct.
Kinkini anklet. Padormika toy ring. Nakaranga. Nakaragaha. Nail enamel.
Nail polish.
Suvasakam. Talcum powder. Oshtaragaha. Lipstick. Haimika snow. Tilakam mark on the forehead. Kanjalam katuka. Kanjalam katuka means in English, I know.
I don't know which one you are reading. I don't know, because Kankanam you read earlier, bangle. Kankanam. That is what you are trying to read, I think. Kankanam.
Kanjalam means
bangle. Then few you missed. Maybe your book has a slightly different order. Padas Shirastram cap. Padasyutaha sock. Syuta means bag and Padasyuta means bag for the feet. That means sock. Okay. Svedakam sweater. Pravarakam coat. And Katipatta belt.
Katipatta belt. Pravarakam coat.
Thank you very much, madam. I appreciate your assistance in reading this. So guys, what you have to notice here is some of them are native words that have existed before even English was known as a language in India. Okay. Some of them are very clearly native words that were used. Some of them are slightly engineered words. Okay. Not everything here you will find in some old Purana or some Grantha. Okay. For example, Mekhala, Keyuram, Kinkini. These are all very much Indian words. In fact, we have many girls who are named Mekhala. Okay, it is actually not an ordinary waistband. It's a gold waistband that used to be worn by our ladies. So Mekhala. So it's a beautiful name also. Nasabaranam, it's again a very Indian thing. Okay, so nose ring, nose stud, Nasabaranam, Anguliyakam, finger ring. These are all old names. Some of them are engineered. For example, Ardha Nicholaha, Nichola type of dress was there. Okay, so long skirt, but Ardha Nichola was not an Indian tradition, but they have added Ardha to Nichola and made it Ardha Nichola. Proncha, see there is a dhatu for drying oneself. Pronchana. So pronch dhatu, from that it is actually. Pronchaha is a thing that dries. So towel. It's a beautiful Kridanta construction for towel. Okay, so like this. Okay, obviously Urukam was there. Urukam. Ardorukam is constructed as half pants like that. Some of them are engineered. Padasyuta is an engineered word. You see, Syuta is a Sanskritam word. Pada is a Sanskritam word. But Padasyuta is a concept which is socks, which is new. That is a bag for the feet. It's Padasyuta like that. Pravarakam is also a little bit somewhat engineered. Okay, like these kind of things.
Karavastram.
Karavastram. See, hand cloth, handkerchief, like that.
What do you call in Kannada?
Chitraveshti is also used.
Chitraveshti, lungi is a completely engineered word, like Chitrostra, like patterned veshti. What was your question, Mahodaya?
Sir, what do you call for dhoti in Kannada?
Kannada we call it dhoti only.
Dhoti, okay.
Panche we call it. Panche.
That is pancha jyoti, no?
I don't know, but we call it panche. The simple white one we call it panche, and if it is little bit more emery embroidered, we call it dhoti. Like
because in Tamil dhoti is called vesti only.
Vesti, yeah. Tamil vesti. I know vesti because I have Tamil mother tongue from old times, but we in Kannada it is panche. Okay.
Panche. Okay.
It becomes panchakacham when it becomes that traditionally tied.
Actually, panche comes from that. When we make that pattern dhoti, which is
like
it's very elaborate. There that 5 folds. I think Madam correctly pointed out, because of the 5 folds, it is panchakacha and it became panche as a ordinary colloquial usage.
Sir, what is shalya?
Thank you.
Shalya is what we put on top. No, I don't. I think shalyam, maybe shalyam.
Angavastra.
Angavastram. Shalyam can be used maybe. Who knows? Sometimes many Tamil words are actually old Sanskrit words also. All right, guys. Namaste. Have a nice day. We have had a long session afternoon. So let's catch up. I don't think we can afford a break. So we are going to have a session on Saturday. We can make it a quicker session next week if you want a longer break. So quicker session Saturday 11 o'clock we will have again next Sunday also, and keep catching up. Okay. Have a nice day. Good day.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.